So with Tihei Rangatahi, we're really fortunate and lucky to have the support from E Tū Whānau. They're really outcomes focused and strengths based, and they're all about, you know, te mana kaha o te whānau, and we too are like that. And a lot of our other contracts actually focus a lot on the crisis, you know, very reactive contracts where we need to fix this and sort this, get the food in there, and that's very important. But this one allows whānau to achieve their dreams and aspiration. It's an aspirational kaupapa. For example, some of the siblings that used to be on the streets that are now in prison or going through youth justice and things like that, we've actually got their siblings, and they are starting to take a different course. That's what I think E Tū Whānau is really awesome for. They give us the flexibility to address the needs of our community in our own way. They're not telling us how we need to do things. They trust in that we know what's best for our whānau, and that's awesome as well.